Okay, in Activity 9.2, you're going to be combining many of the skills that you've learned previously in Word. The only new thing that I need to show you how to do is to add a page border. So to add a page border, we go to the Design tab, and then over here to the far right, you'll see Page Borders. Once I've selected that option, there's a bunch of different page borders I can choose from. I can come down through here and choose different lines. So like, say I like that line, then I can change the color. And I can increase and decrease the width of it, and you can kind of see a preview over here of what that will look like. So if I make it the widest I possibly can, I'll do that, hit OK, and there you go. You can see I have a border on my page. Some other options for this page borders, I can do the lines. I can do like a shadow type box, and that usually looks a little bit better if I do a solid line. So let's go back to the solid lines here. So I'm going to do shadow, try that, and zoom in on here so you can actually see it. So you can kind of see the blue line with the shadow there. So there are a number of options like that, and then we also have some images that we can use, and that's down here under the art. Now, most of the time I would not recommend using many of these. I mean, if I want a bunch of apples going around my screen, there we go. Got a bunch of apples or cherries or whatever that's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be apples. There are some better ones down further, and that's one of the assignments that you'll be doing. We'll use, I think it's like the third or fourth from the last one. So I'm going to scroll the way down, and yeah, I think it's this one that used one of the assignments. So some of these don't look too bad, but some of the image ones are, they're kind of iffy. But after you're choosing that, some of these allow you to change the color. So like this is one that you can change the color after you select the picture. You can also increase and decrease the width of it. So I'll decrease it a little bit, hit OK, and there you go. I've got my border.